You might want to review the people you have blocked so far on Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check block list on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open up Facebook right here. And from here, click on your profile icon with the menu text at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and click on settings and privacy to open up the drop down menu. And click on settings right over here. From here, click on Profile Settings, and immediately under the Privacy section, you should be able to see the blocking option right here. So this is where you can review the people you previously blocked. So tap on that, and this should show the list of people that you have blocked. So once you block someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. So from here as well, you can also have the option to unblock that person. So just tap on unblock right here and click on unblock once again so that they will be able to see your posts again. So if this is not working for you, make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. So just go to your app store and search for Facebook right here and tap on update if it shows for you, and if it says open, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.